Please welcome Marina Summers! Woo!
Okay na ba yan?
Oh my God! Wow! Sige. Ipakita mo. Irama mo yung sa gitna.
Mapapanood
Ang
mo
ganda mo! Hi sis! How are you?
How
Pakisa
are
ko.
you?
Mwah!
I hope you're having the best time and congratulations in advance.
Thank you!
Fun so far.
You are so gorgeous! Oh my God! Marina, I miss you.
I miss you.
Ang tagal mong hindi nag-drag, hindi ka namin nakikita sa any shows online. What's keeping you busy?
I've been very busy with work. I've been really focusing on that.
So, corporate job. Meron kang work from home na corporate job.
Corporate but still creative.
Ooh, wow.
And drag is the other creative stuff that I do when I have time.
So, thank you dahil pinaunlakan mo kami, ha. Alam mo, hiyang-hiya ako sa'yo. Parang pabor pa na niyaya kita. Eh, alam mo namang favorite kita. Hindi kita makakalimutan pag production talagang Marina Summers, #1 yan sa galing at talaga namang talent.
When I heard nga na it's cake, I knew na.
Ano bang experience mo sa cake?
No, like my first star-studded casting.
Wow.
Kasama ko
Okay.
was cake, and that's the first few nights na like I really felt na, oh my God, these queens are amazing. I want to be like them or just or even bigger than them. Alam mo yun?
Yes. Dapat ganon. Talagang may silent competition. Pakabugan. At tingnan nyo naman, girl. Talagang hindi nagparaya. Fresh.
Pwede na iprito, diba?
Oo, girl. You are oozing. Alam mo, nakaka-insecure ka. Nakakaloka. Very challenging tong kasama si Marina Summer. But yun naman talaga dapat ang point ng drag. We challenge everyone. So, guys, ito ang mga dapat iniidolo. Pero, Marina, bukod sa pananahimik mo, ano bang dapat naming abangan kay Marina Summers? Kasi I'm sure, noong mga nakaraang this whole pandemic, ang dami mong surprises.
Yeah.
So, ngayong year na to, what do we have to expect what can we expect from you?
Yeah, last year we debuted our first single.
Yes, nag-release siya ng kanyang music. Nakakaloka sa gandang to, sa pitit na to, kumakanta, sumasayaw, at talaga namang serving looks. Kitang-kita niya naman napakasarap dilaan. Ano yung kanta mo na yun nung nakaraan?
Yeah, it's entitled I Have Arrived. It's produced by CJ Racines and Brian Kua. Written by yours truly.
Yes!
Yeah, it's available on Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, and other music distributors.
Yeah. Yes, congratulations. And what else should we expect this year?
We're releasing another track.
Wow!
Anytime soon.
Nakakaloka yung Marina Summers. Hindi bumibirit pero may sariling original music lang naman. Palakpakan naman natin sa studio. Palakpakan naman natin si Marina Summers.
I would also like to thank my team talaga. The team behind me. They're very passionate about, doing things that's outside of the usual that we have, So music is something that we really wanna penetrate as well. Kasi we wanna, be everywhere. We want drag to be everywhere. So that's the main goal talaga, to really elevate and improve the visibility of our craft.
And maganda yun na talagang pinapakita mo sa lahat, sa publiko, na drag queens can sing. Hindi lang tayo pang clubs, hindi lang tayo pang comedy, hindi lang tayo pang impersonate.
Yes.
We can write our own songs, we can sing, and talaga namang napaka-talented natin mga drag queens.
Yeah, and that's something that we have proven during this pandemic, ha, na parang we are unstoppable talaga. And hindi lang yun, like marami pang nag-flourish na avenues for drag. Music, dance, performing, digital content, and even business. Ang dami, diba? Ang mga drag queens talaga natin here sa Philippines are very resilient, and we're so very proud of them.
Nakaka-proud yung mga drag queens sa Philippines. Hindi nagpapahuli sa international drag. Diba? Sabay-sabay. Kulang na lang talaga sa atin drag race version. Competition dito sa Philippines. Kung magkakaroon ng drag race dito sa Philippines, will you join? And who do you think will be your biggest competition?
I would love to join sa crew. I would love to join sa crew, sa behind the scene. Kasi alam ko, yung mga ugali niyo at alam ko kung paano kayo.
Ugali niyo, so parang sinasabi, huwag mo namang i-reveal na kasali ako. Grabe ka naman.
Grabe si Gigi.
Hindi ako sasali.
Huwag ka mag-alala, kapag sumali ka, episode 1 pa lang, ipapatanggal na kita.
Alam mo, ganyan ka ka-shady. Talagang tatanggalin mo yung magagaling para, alam mo yun, mas flourish yung mga friends mo siguro sa Drag Playhouse.
Bahala na. Ang tayo makakapasa ba sila?
Oh my God, shade! Ala, sinashade mo naman yung
With love naman yun. With love. Alam naman nila na they're so talented.
Oo naman, love ko ang drag players. Okay, sige. Before I let you perform, dahil I'm sure pinagandaan mo itong performance na to, and talaga naman nakakatuwa yung mga performances dito sa Cake ha, mga numbers na never pa nilang ginawa sa any of their performances before. So, guys, abangan niyo yung performance ni Marina Summers because she told me that this means a lot to
Yes,
her.
I really love this song.
Okay, sige, before that, mag-game muna tayo. And please, please guys, share your blessings and tip your queens kasi kitang-kita niyo naman yung effort namin. Hindi lang to half body. Hindi na lang to isang maliit na screen na naka-makeup, naka-wig lang, tas walang outfit. Talagang full look lang naman ang ating sinaserve sa inyo tonight. Effort! Oh my God, these are the drag queens of the Philippines. Ang gaganda at napaka-talented. Okay, sige, this game is called Truth or Shot. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, sa akin mo talaga nilagay yan.
Yes, sa'yo ko talaga tinapat tong game na to dahil marami kang kailangang saguting tanong
Shot.
bilang napakaingay mo for the whole year. Okay, game. Pahingi kami ng shot, please, Bana.
Ay, maliit lang ha, kasi ako talaga hindi nakapag-perform.
Bahala
ng
ka.
maayos,
Ano ka ba? Kailangan, ako din, please. Okay. So, shot ka. Kaya
Ano
mag-sip-sip ka na lang. Hindi, meron na yung mix na yan.
May something
May
to.
social tayo dito. Yung mga nanonood dyan, kung may mga kilala po kayong pwede mag-sponsor sa amin ng alak, please itagi na sila dito or mag-share na sila ng kanilang mga blessings. Para next time, sponsored na tayo. Oo. Alam na, huwag ka mahiya.
Next
Ang
time,
ganda
hindi
naman.
na-
Fuchsia
diba?
Deluxe. Oh.
Para next time, hindi na bumuputok yung mga kilay natin.
Oo. Hindi, magpapa-aircon na tayo. First time natin. Tayo ang
Oo.
magbibigay ng Studio ng
Yun
Spaces
nga.
Manila. Okay? So, game. Ready na ba tayo? Guys, please press 1.
Hello, come to!
Oh, nawalan tayo ng camera. Sige,
Ayun.
lapit ka dito sa tapat
Yan.
namin, sis.
O, diba?
Hindi, okay. Ah, sige, sige.
Ang lakas
Dyan
na ano. May come to tayo. Hello.
Okay, sige.
Hello, welcome back!
Ayan, welcome back. Oh my God. Ang dami nating technical difficulty.
May yun tayo!
Okay. Hindi, sige.
May audience tayo dito!
Hindi, bilisan na natin to. Gusto
Okay,
na kita
okay,
mag-perform. Guess, hindi. Truth or shot? Kapag sasagutin mo yung tanong, mag-shot ka muna bago mo sagutin. Pero kung hindi mo gustong sagutin yung tanong, mag-shot ka pa rin.
Grabe, parang wala,
So, wala kang
akong
choice.
doon.
Okay, hindi mo tatapos
Half,
yung bilang to.
please, half. Luluhot ako, nagmamakaawa ako.
Ang konti lang lang yan, sis. Ikaw naman napakagaling sumaya.
Ah,
Okay,
sige,
sige.
sige.
Question number 1. Name one favorite local drag queen.
Magmumukha akong plastic para sabihin ko si Gigi. Kasi,
Hindi ako si Gigi, Brigading ako. Alam mo yun na nakitang kino-correct.
Brigading, sorry, Brigading.
Okay.
Bakit kasi I love a queen that's marketable, not only talented, but also marketable. And, yeah, marketable na can fly to one platform to another.
Thank you so much. Okay, sige. Hindi ko na pahabain yan na. Baka sabihin
Okay,
na
perform na
sa
tayo.
Hindi, meron pa maraming
Meron
tanong.
ba? Meron ba?
Nakakaloka ka. Okay, next question. Kung meron kang favorite drag queen, who is your least favorite drag queen? And why? Kailangan mo itong sagutin, girl, kung hindi shot ka ng puro. Least favorite, at pwede ka naman mag-reason, least lang naman, pero favorite mo pa din.
Shot na lang ako. Shot.
Hindi,
Parang
sumagot
ayoko
ka.
na.
Sumagot ka. Magbibigay na lang ako ng options.
No. Shot na lang ako. Nalimutan ko kasi yung pangalan.
Oh my God! Nakalimutan niya yung pangalan dahil ginusto mong kalimutan.
Charot lang.
Or dahil forgettable siya.
Hindi, wala lang talaga akong maisip, girl.
Kilala kita, te, parang kanina may mga binabanggit-banggit ka na nag-makeup tayo.
Nananahimik nga ako eh.
Oh my God, we have a tipper, Rafael Luis. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, please keep on sharing and tipping us, your queens, dahil talaga naman makakatulong sa amin yan. Okay, next question. Fuck, marry, kill. Drag Playhouse. Go!
Fuck siguro si Eva.
Oh my God!
Borda si Eva, diba?
Borda. So, sino ang top, sino ang bottom?
Kahit ano.
Wow, totoo ba? Kahit sinabi mo sa akin kung ano mo, role and position preference mo?
Nalimutan ko na nga rin sa tagal eh.
Oh my God. Sa tagal talaga, wala kang sex life this whole pandemic?
Wala.
Oh my God. Tingnan mo naman kung anong nadudulot ng walang sex life. Ang gandang-ganda. Bakit ako wala akong sex life? Ayun. Kaya ang ganda-ganda nating dalawa. Asan yung alak mo? Banak pa yung pang alak.
Tayo dyan.
Fuck, Eva La Queen, Mary.
Si Prince kasi career and business.
So gusto mo siyang pakasalan. Okay. Sino naman ang papatayin mo? Well, siya na lang naman yung natitira, no? Bakit gusto mong patayin tong basurang to?
Kasi ang ganda ng wardrobe niya, gusto kong kunin. Lalo na yung latest look niya, grabe.
Oh my God, yes.
I wanna get that fucking thing.
Yung ahas-ahas look niya doon sa Montero ninyo. Congratulations.
Grabe,
dyan, ha?
congratulations.
Alam mo, nakakatuwa tong Drag Playhouse na talagang sila yung kumakareer ng mainstream. Yung effort nila sa mga social media posts nila, talagang pangmalakasan. Akala mo produced by big companies eh. Congratulations sa Drag Playhouse, ha? Abang-abang kayo. Okay, next one. Fuck, Mary, Kill, Divine Divas, Precious Paula Nicole, Venus Deluxe, and Mia.
Fuck siguro ikaw. Oo.
Oh my God, wait, wag mo naman ako nilalasing. Wag mo naman ako nilalasing. Nakakaloka, ayan na. Oh my God, hindi ko in-expect na bet mo ko.
Ako lang. Kasi wala nang ibang option eh.
Wala na ibang option. So, alam mo na, Precious Paula Nicole, you will never be an option to Marina Summer.
Kasi Precious yung Mary ko kasi sobrang sweet, lambeng,
Okay.
maalaga.
Okay, fine. Bigay natin. So, bakit mo papatayin si Venus Deluxe?
Kasi kung siya yung ifa-fuck or i-memory ko, parang maririndi lang ako sa sobrang ingay niya.
Sa sobrang talakera, no?
Sobrang talakera.
Bungangera. May ma-attitude, no?
Sa'yo galing yan ah.
Hindi. We love Venus Deluxe, ang host ng
Yes.
Queen's Night. Okay, sige, last question na lang. If you will compete again with Drag Cartel All-Stars winner, who do you think will win and why will they lose? Ang kalaban mo, si Min Ortiz at si Audacia. Tatlo kayo maglalaban-laban for a lip sync for your life. Who do you think will win?
Lip sync, I'm very confident.
Okay. Looks. Looks.
Ibigay na natin sa kanila.
Duh. Okay.
Kasi they're taller than me and alam mo yun,
Talagang
buo
drag.
talaga sila kapag
Effort
nagda-drag,
din.
diba?
Okay. And then,
Yeah.
talent-wise. Talent-wise.
Alam mo, ako na lang.
Ikaw naman.
Akuin ko na.
So, sa tingin mo, bakit sila matatalo sa'yo?
Feeling ko, kasi just like the past season, parang I really think of everything in detail. So,
Thought, yung
well
mga
thought of,
performances mo. Oh.
At that time saying na hindi nila pinag-iisipan ha, pero like,
Hindi, parang ganun yung gusto mong
I have
sabihin
an
eh.
extra layer of, like, you know,
So, parang higher
production.
level ka
Hindi
sa kanila.
higher, pero like, it's a different thinking, you know.
Okay. So, kung paglalaban-labanin kayo talaga, go ka.
Ako lang!
Oh my God, parang may gusto siyang patunayan.
Alam mo, yung mga questions talaga ni Gigi.
Okay, sige. Tama na. Hindi na kita patatagalin. Guys, yung performance po ng Marina Summers today is talaga namang bow down ako dito. One of my favorite performance. Sige, Marina Summers, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Excited na kami sa performance mo. Go, go,
Thank you,
go.
thank you, thank you.
Mag-preset ka na. I love you, sister.